stand before you today not as a star, not as a finished product, but a work in progress who you could say dared to go off script. My name is Ranjit Sajeev. I'm an actor working in the Malayalam film industry. I'm 27 years old and I'm currently shooting my 6th film. And every step of the way so far, with every project that I choose, with every story I decide to tell, I want to push boundaries, not just on screen, but within myself. Funny enough, my journey did not begin on film sets. It actually began with steel beams and soil mechanics. I'm an engineering graduate, and as long as I can remember, I think I spent most of my days in college running around organizing cultural fests and events and taking part in them than actually spending time in a classroom. I guess you could say that while my peers were dreaming of skyscrapers and construction sites, I was quietly dreaming about cinema. Not just the glamour, but the freedom. You see, I did not see performing arts as an escape from structure. I did not see it as a way to rebel against the system or against my parents. I just saw it as a different way to build something. Just not buildings, but emotions. Not blueprints, but characters. When I decided to become an actor, I stepped into a world where the stakes are high and so are the standards. Cinema is visual, it's emotional, it's physical. You're not just delivering a performance, you're supposed to carry a presence. That is why I treat my body as a temple. To me, fitness isn't just a phase, it's a lifestyle. Discipline isn't just about flexing a muscle or two. It's about having a mindset to push through. And especially when you're in a world which moves too fast and judges too quickly, the only thing that's going to keep you grounded is your own sense of inner rhythm. As an actor, one thing that I've heard a lot, especially when a certain role clicks for you, is to stick to your image, don't confuse the audience. But I personally feel that growth begins where predictability ends. In my first film, I played a depressed alcoholic struggling from PTSD. In my second film, I play a youthful, vibrant tour guide who's smitten by love. In my third film, which personally was my most mature performance yet, I personally feel, I play a no-nonsense cop, hell-bent on solving a case. And in my most recent film, I play a boy next door who's born and brought up here, fighting for a social cause. Even though I can resonate and connect with these characters to some extent, because as an actor you have to bring them to life in an honest way. Ranjit as a person is so far-fetched from all these characters. But even then, it's my job as an actor to make you buy into these characters and their roles in a genuine way. And that's a really challenging process. But that challenge is what excites me, it thrills me. Because storytelling deserves truth. And truth often lies outside comfort zones. So every time I take on a project, I plan to bring a character to life. Instead of asking what's safe, I try to ask what's sincere. As an actor, I'm not going to lie, I love the applause. I thrive in the energy of recognition. I'm not going to shy away from that. Fame is not a weakness. It's a blessing that's supposed to be held with gratitude and honor. Applause is not just noise. It's a language of connection that tells you that something that you did moved somebody. And that's an incredibly powerful feeling. But personally to me, that language of connection means much more when it's coming from a place of honesty. It can be a project that I gave my heart and soul to, a character that I brought to life with utmost respect and integrity. And at the end of the day, that's what I strive for, to be worthy of this recognition I receive. So let me just ask you this. Are you all writing your own story, or are you just following a script someone else has written for you? In this case, that someone else can be family pressure, societal trends, or just fear. You see, here's what I learned. You don't have to reject everything. You just have to choose mindfully. You get to write, direct, and edit your own narrative. This journey of mine from an engineering graduate to an actor, it wasn't about rebellion, like I said. It was about alignment. Because every time I thought that I was stepping off the expected path that's set for me, I was actually moving one step closer to who I really am. So before wrapping things up, I just want to leave you with these two quotes that kind of stuck with me throughout my career so far. ഈ ലോകം ഒരു വേദിയാണ്. നമ്മുടെ സ്വപ്നങ്ങളാണ് വഴി. The world is a stage, and our dreams are the path. Script ഇല്ലാത്ത ജീവിതങ്ങളാണ് ശ്രേഷ്ഠമായ ജീവിതങ്ങൾ. Unscripted lives are extraordinary lives. So go ahead, enjoy the spotlight, embrace the applause, but never stop listening to your own voice behind the scenes. Because sometimes the most powerful of performances started with a quiet idea to go off script. Thank you.